Hi folks, welcome to Teddy Bits. Today I want to share with you a secret to keeping your Apple AirPods as clean as if they came off the factory floor. Step 1, throw them away. Step 2, buy a new pair. Okay, forget that. How about something a little bit more practical? I actually want to share with you the best, most effective way to clean your Apple AirPods or EarPods, and that is sticky tack, or blue tack as it's sometimes called. You can get this stuff at any office supply store, hardware store, or online. So what you want to do is tear off a bit of the sticky tack, just enough to roll into a ball, and then press it into the grill or any other space you want to clean. So the sticky tack is soft enough so it'll get into every corner and crevice, and the earwax sticks right to it, so when you peel it away, the dirt comes with it. And you can use the same trick on the case to clean the seams and the hinge. So now you know, and you'll never have to put up with disgusting earphones again. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.